In a world that's changing every day, a world of uncertainties, old ways become out of date but very rarely get replaced. Yet everywhere, millions of people are inspired to create a positive future. All of us citizens doing our bit to create something better in our lives. So, why do we accept this when this would be better? And how did we get to this when all we wanted was this? Imagine we could start again. What would we create? What limitless idea would be born from that blank canvas, the human spirit? We're in the 21st century living with an 18th century system, but now the world is challenging all of us to decide our future. Do we act as if everything is okay? Or do we as citizens of the world use the power we have to create change?
Cut! Who on earth is this?
It's the she-man you asked for.
I didn't ask for a she-man. I wanted a shaman, Dwight. A shaman.
The Global Summit. Is your voice being heard?